Got a sketch on the table, got some dust on my jeans. Turn a frame into a family place, from a blueprint to a dream.
Hi guys, welcome to MaskedBuilderKE. In this episode, we start the process of building our forever dream home. Please subscribe, like, and share. So on today's episode, we're installing water and building the site house. And I'm going to talk through all the costs and the process. So we needed to go to the community water project and do our applications. I also needed to get the meters tested because I had some meters from the previous landowner, and they were tested and they're all good, and we did the application process. And then on this particular day, everything was being installed, and you're going to see all that. So we got the water connected at the main water source with one of the meters, which is a master meter. And yeah, it was a bit tricky, but finally the guy managed to fix the water. We then went back to the property, and the trenches had already been dug, and we had purchased all the materials, and the water connection then progressed. As you will see, they're using a very hot metal to connect the pipe joints to make sure that they are fitting together properly. And as I promised, I'm going to talk through the costs. So as I've mentioned before, this is community water project. So there's a community water project fee to cover the costs that the community initially incurred in setting up the water project. And then our meter purchases, buying the water tank, all the materials and labor, it came to approximately about 70,000 Kenya shillings. Finally, we have water. Oh my God, I cannot tell you how excited this feeling, is. So exciting to finally have water, running water, drinkable water on our property. And as all this water setup was going on, the site house construction had already started, and together with the toilet construction. So again, we didn't have to dig a pit latrine. There was already an existing pit latrine, so we just needed to cover it. And the total cost for the site house, the temporary water tank area, and the toilet construction was another approximately 70,000 Kenya shillings. And this step is so exciting because we are finally starting our building journey. So stay tuned for next week's episode, where we will be talking about the setting out and starting to dig the foundation.